To get the throttle body hole, you need to first open the air filter pipe. Using this arrow mark on the screen, you will get two screws and bolts to open this air filter pipe. After opening the air filter pipe, you will get this throttle body hole. In this hole, you have to open the shutter using your hand, and you have to spray throttle body cleaner into this hole. You have to do it when the engine is on also. When the engine is on, you have to keep spraying 3-4 times after opening the shutter, so all the carbon deposited into this throttle body will come out. When you are done with the spray, you will find that liquid black carbon is coming out from the hole. Please take a clean cloth so that you can wipe off this liquid carbon. You can repeat these steps for 2 to 3 times for better result. When you are done with this cleaning process, you need to put back the air filter pipe from where it was opened. For more DIY videos like this, please subscribe this channel using the link on the screen. Thanks for watching.